Yo, beautiful people. You join me today down my unit with my yellow EG6 SiR. I've got a few modifications to do, just little tiny ones, but this is a very important mod. Okay, I have a very important mod going on today that's going to transform this front end. I can't wait to get them in. I can't wait for you guys to see it. This is, like I said, a very important mod to me. I can't wait to get them on. And we've also got a couple of other little bits to do if we have time today. Just wanted to get the car out, got it up to the unit. We're going to chuck it in, work from it just inside because there's a little bit of wind out here and I don't want the camera to get the noise in. But oh my God, what a beautiful day we have been blessed with. I gave the car a proper clean up yesterday, and as you can see, I put some tyre shine on it finally. What a fantastic looking little car. Over the moon with it. Right, let's get it in, get the, and let's have a look at some of these parts. Let's hope they're as good as they looked in the photos. Ooh. Please don't be damaged. Lovely fucking jubbly, boys. What we have there is original EG6 SiR standard headlights. So happy to get a set of these for this car. It means we can replace the Denjis and then get those up for sale. I just love how the EG looks with OEM headlights. I'm a real sucker for that OE JDM Japanese 90s vibe. Can't wait to get them in. It's going to look sick. It is a fairly easy job. We're going to get it done, but I feel like this is an important one for the story of this car, man. It's going to look amazing. So I will level with you guys. When I put this front bumper back on, I did it how I have been doing my bumpers for the last few years, with just cable ties. The car is missing the correct fitment parts that go into the wings. To bolt the bumper on with the screw, so I just put cable ties in it, and that's why it sits a bit off, because obviously I don't have the right bits there. But for now, it's as good as it's going to get. These headlight changes are annoying though, because you do have to take the front bumper off to get to them. It's not that much of a drama, but you know, part and parcel of it. Super easy. And I knew I was going to be doing this at some point, so I did only put 2 of the attachment bits in. So congratulations, previous me. You've saved future me a fucking job. So we'll get this up, have a look at the wiring, hopefully, because I know it's got an HID kit on these. So I'm hoping it's not going to be like end of the world difficult, but it depends how hacked up this wiring loom's been. And it looks like it's quite a lot by the looks of things. Has this even got a loom with it? What the fuck? What the fuck is this shit? Oh, this is going to be great. I thought it was going to be easy.
It is a fairly easy job.
Now, because it's got an HID kit in it, oh, what a ball ache this is going to fucking end up being. God damn it, man. Feels a lot worse doing that on a Honda than it does doing it on a drift car, I'm sure. Get this out of the way. It's a proper! They've even got the bolts on the side! I haven't had a car do that in 8 years! Why? Alright, so unfortunately the headlights aren't going to be able to go in today. Number one, I haven't got the right bulb holder for an OEM bulb, which is fucking annoying. Also, the wiring loom's been so hacked up to fit these HIDs. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I've took the headlight out. I've had to rewire one back up, which was very annoying because I hate wiring. But I guess this is a fail. But for the most part, I do have my new headlights. They do look beautiful. I will try and give them a bit of a spruce up. I've got that headlight restoration kit from Meguiar's. I'm going to require. So if anybody's out there is breaking an EG, I need both bulb holders and I also need a wiring loom. If you have one in good condition. I don't want another hacked up one. If you've got one that's come straight out of a car, that'd be amazing, so I can actually get these in. I'm annoyed that I can't put them in. I'm gutted, because I think they're going to make the car look absolutely insane. But never mind, these will have to wait. They are so light. They are so light. But yeah, all legit Stanley JDM headlights. So, yeah, never mind, eh? Right, while on the hunt for more issues, I have fixed another. Now got a horn. God fucking damn it, dude. So also, while putting that front bumper back on, I'm not using them dodgy ass old rounded Honda bolts anymore. I'm going to be using the old washers that we have left over from the previous build, and we are going to be chucking these on. They're just Allen key ones. They're so much easier. They look nice, and they're they're not fucking rounded old shit 30-year-old Honda bolts. That's really bummed me out that the headlights and that, but I've just been texted by a friend We're seeing if they've got the parts I need, because I really want the OEM headlights in this. So, we'll see how it goes, right? Lovely little job done. Now it's just to do the really annoying bit, cable ties in the old arches and tuck the plastics behind it. Okay, as you can now see, the front end's all back together. I mean, it still looks cool. I still like the Denjis. I just really want that 90s anime look to the car. I just want it to look like it's straight out of Initial D. You know, that sort of vibe. So the Denjis will be going eventually. Look, I think it looks absolutely sick. What a fucking cool car. Now, one thing that's really, really bothering me is this, the rocker cover. I hate how fucked it is. I really, really want to do one like crinkle yellow or just flat yellow, just like the spoon style sort of thing. I've got this. Let me show you what I've got real quick. Hang on. I have this, okay? Now, if you're an old school viewer, you may remember what this is. Now, I bought this off of the Smoke Hose B18C EP2. I bought the B18C out of that car. But at the same time as we were about to put it in my EG, I also bought my first house and didn't realise how expensive that was, or that stamp duty was a thing. So I needed a wedge of money really fast, so I sold the engine, but I kept the rocker cover. So what this is a Bloodsports B series rocker cover. They're really, really rare for a genuine one, but what they basically were was hydro dipped before hydro dipping was really a thing. So this is like a really cool old school JDM part. I thought it'd be kind of cool to have a red rocker cover on the yellow car, because my red car has a yellow rocker cover. So I thought it'd be kind of cool. They're both going to be kind of unique. Do I chuck this in now? I guess it's not exactly a hard job, so I just don't want to break anything. So, leveling with you guys, I don't actually want to take the black one off. If this was like wrinkle black in perfect condition, I'd definitely keep it on. I think the car with the black and yellow theme looks sick, right? Like legit, I love it. But because of how like rough this one is, I just think I might put the red one on just because it looks cool. I will be getting one of these refurbed, either yellow or black. Haven't really decided yet. We need to work out what we're doing with this car and with the red one, and kind of then making an actual plan instead of just doing random mods, spending money randomly that doesn't need to be spent, that we put into a bigger project. So I think that's where we're at. We're going to change this out. I just also wanted to quickly say, if anybody's about to attempt this himself and they've never done this before, please, for the fucking love of God, do not over tighten these bolts. These ones here on the rocker cover, these ones snap so easy. You just pinch them and you're good to go. I also have Honda Bond and a new gasket that I'm going to chuck on at the same time. So I will go grab those now real quick. But please be careful if you're going to do this. The first time I did this, first time I ever did this about 6 or 7 years ago, I snapped 3 of them. Luckily for me, I had a spare engine here at the time, so I just took them out. I've still got a spare engine now. I think I have some left in case any do snap in this. But if I do snap them, I won't fucking tell you I did it. But yeah, here we go. It's going to be quite easy. A like for like swap out of everything, so shouldn't take too long. Fingers fucking crossed. But I did say the lights was an easy job, didn't I? It is a fairly easy job. Okay, I've zoomed in just so you can see. Like, I have not touched this bolt, right? Okay, I just want to show you how loose these are. Can you see that? There was zero... Oh, sorry, I put my arm in the way, didn't I? What a dickhead. I'll do it on this one. This is zero effort, okay? See, zero effort to undo these. So it's zero effort really to do them back up. Knocking them all off now like this. I'm gonna have to take that pipe off, just slide that bad boy up there. Anyone wants to see the head of a VTEC? There we go, VTEC engine, baby. Trying to see if I've got any Honda Bond before I open a brand new one. Laying around, but worst case, shouldn't be a problem. Got a new one, chuck it on. It's not very expensive, but it's really good stuff. So yeah, we'll get this rocker cover all fitted on just now. Hopefully have a lovely looking engine bay. See a little Civic behind me. I love it, it's sick, right? hell, you fucking idiot. That should be alright, fuck's sake. Does look pretty smart, doesn't it? So the cool thing about this kit as well is it comes with all the new little washers and rubbers that you get with the kit. If anybody wants one of these, by the way, I'm going to link it in the top comment. We can sell these. So these are really nice OE parts. I love like the new fresh stuff like this. It makes it so much nicer to play with. We got that on there, by the way. Yeah. Make sure that's set. Get that in there, lovely. Lovely, bloody, jubbly, my friends. And remember, like what I said, very, very careful putting these back on. They will snap. See how gentle I can be. I'm going to use the real skinny one of these. Okay, pinch tight. We go, pinch. Lovely. There we have it, something positive to come from today. So we started off on a negative with the lights not working because of these stupid wiring loom, this stupid HID kit, and just the terrible chop job that it has got. I've put out a feeler to see if I can get a new headlight loom and bulb holders for the new JDM headlights. Then we also have the Bloodsports rocker cover now in, looking fantastic. As I stand here and look, oh, she looks good, man. Oh yeah, I love it, it looks sick. I will definitely be getting the rocker cover done, but like I said, I'm going to be doing a video with you guys very soon once I get the red one back, talking about plans for both cars, seeing which direction we go in with either of them. I'm in a bit of a predicament because I would love a fast road car, but I'd also love a fast track car. So we need to kind of work out which one gets some attention first. Yeah, but other than that, lovely job. Glad we got a video done today. I'm glad we got some positivity done today. Really, really happy with it. I think the red really looks good against the yellow. I'm going to tidy up a little bit in here now. Trust me, it needs it. And I'm going to bounce. If you fancy and you want to see some exclusive content, join my Patreon. If you don't, stick around here. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you all again in the future. And also, please remember, the 10-year merch is all currently on sale. It's all running out real fast. It's all nearly gone. And I have got a whole load of new stuff coming very soon. So that'll be very, very exciting. And yeah, right. I'm out, guys. Oh, and we've got the horn working. Woo-hoo! Positives. We're taking positives from today. Positives from today. Excellent. Right. See you later, guys. Boom.